Going to the hot spring. Thoughts?
This is wonderful!
You walk out with me.
Okay, let's go.
Just walk out with me.
I'm recording you.
I know you.
Você tem que ficar chamando atenção. Tem que ficar com os dois quando ele acordar. Aí tem que pôr o neném na neta. Aí eu tenho que entreter ela com alguma coisa pra pôr ele na neta, porque senão ela vai pra rua. Tem duas coisas, tem a parte que aí você tem que trabalhar independente. E eles também não me cobram de ficar coisa. Ela é meio mais que eu tenho que ver.
We out here doing and moving at the Chena Hot Springs. You see it snowing in this natural spring. It's nice and warm, nice and cozy, like a jacuzzi, but better. You know, take a peek around and take it in. Here in Alaska. Here in Alaska. Chena Hot Springs is just absolutely astonishing. It's this mineral-rich outdoor rock lake that you're able to relax your body and really warm and enlighten your soul with. Over 100 years ago, gold miners and early Alaskan pioneers rested their weary souls and bodies in this natural outdoor hot spring. Today, you can carry out that tradition and soak away your own worldly worries at the Chena Hot Spring, right here in Fairbanks, Alaska.
No two snowflakes are the same. Fun fact.
No two snowflakes are the same.
This is what people do.
And no two of me and you and three and we and she.
Just like snowflakes.
What? Yeah, man. We out here doing and moving, living life. This is absolutely beautiful. Moments like this, you have to just take in, appreciate the nature, the air, the water, God's gift to us. And be able to inhabit this land and take this in is absolutely amazing. It is a blessing. And to be able to harness this and live in the moment is astonishing and absolutely lovely that I'm able to do so. And I appreciate that. Definitely a place I recommend coming. It's great spiritual energy. Come get your spiritual energy right. Just come get your energy right as a whole. Come get your body right. If you have ailments and aches or whatever, or you just want to chill, relax. Can't complain. It has different lighting and stuff that's up right there. You also have this. You also have this spout that kind of shoots the water. We'll walk over there. But the mix between the snow and the hot spring and even this gravel that's in the water on our feet is just absolutely amazing. It's an amazing experience. You got to come try this, especially if you're American. Alaska ain't that far. It's the 50th state. Come visit it. Come conquer it. Yeah. So let me give you guys some quick info on hot springs. So a hot spring or hydrothermal spring or geothermal spring is a spring produced by emergence of geothermally heated groundwater that rises from Earth's crust. While some of these springs contain water that is safe temperature for bathing, others are hot enough that immersion can be harmful and lead to scalping and potentially death. But Chena Hot Springs is not one of those. We know that this hot spring is managed and kept at an internal temperature about 104 to 106 degrees Fahrenheit. But if you're sitting at home watching this video and you're like me, you're probably wondering how cold it is outside. So the average yearly temperature for the area is about -4.9 degrees Celsius or 23.2 degrees Fahrenheit, with the highest temperature being in July at 20.4 degrees Celsius or 68.7 degrees Fahrenheit, and the lowest temperature being in January at about -31.2 degrees Celsius or -24.2 degrees Fahrenheit. just absolutely loving it here. Our time is coming up. We need to go. We have a shuttle that's going to take us back to our hotel. We don't want to get out. I could spend hours in here. I could take a nap, live, hibernate, all of the above in here. Just absolutely beautiful. Got the fountain in the back. We got 2 little spouts shooting out some water right there. And another one right there. This is just dope, man. This is something you see in the movies. To be able to experience this. Whew. It came a long way from just being a kid from Richmond. It's amazing how far I've come. Love that I'm able to share my experiences with you all. So we can experience this together. Ooh, it just got hot over here. Different parts of here, the pool have like different heat. But it's all pretty warm. They keep it at about 104 degrees or something like that. So pretty warm, but not too hot, except in some of these spots. Super dope. But about to get out. End the day. We've had an amazing time at Chena Hot Springs. And absolutely amazing times at Chena Hot Springs. Definitely a place you gotta come see. You gotta come try out. Chena Hot Springs. It is what it is. It's great. I ain't got no hate. Nothing but the best nonetheless. Savage Exposure out. Love, peace, and hair grease. Thank you to all my subscribers, all my viewers, everybody that takes the time to support me and what I have going on. I absolutely appreciate you. I do not take it for granted. We're at 400 subscribers and it may not seem like a lot, but I am absolutely grateful for each and every subscriber. I love every one of you guys. Let's get to 500. Let's keep it pushing. Once I get to 500, I might do some giveaways, some free things. So let's get there. Let's get to that 500. Let's get to 1,000. Let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it going. Let's keep on embarking on this journey called life and trips and travel and food and fun and new experiences together. Love, peace, and hair grease. Savage Exposure out.